Now, this step is about filming and editing without expensive gear. Most beginners fail because they overcomplicate this step. They think they need expensive, fancy equipment to succeed on YouTube. The reality is you can actually create very good content with just your phone. What matters is how you use what you have. A smartphone versus a camera, which is which? Lighting and audio. Do I need expensive lights? Do I need an expensive microphone? And then editing. Which software do I use? Do I need to pay for it? Why do I need the most expensive software? Those are some of the things that most people ask me when we are talking about YouTube. I'm going to show you my setup in a second, but first, let's go over the fundamentals, all right? Smartphone versus camera. I'd say a smartphone is better, especially for a beginner. You see, a camera has a learning curve, but let's go over the pros and cons of both separately. For the phone, the pros is it's easy to use. It's easy to use your phone to record. It's portable, like you carry your phone everywhere, so you can just record on demand. Now, you can get good quality on a phone, especially if you are in a well-lit space. Also, getting good quality depends on whether you've set up your phone well. Some people have like really good phones, like good Samsungs, good iPhones, but they get very bad footage, not because of not being in good lighting or because their phone is bad, because they've not set up their phone well. So make sure you set up your camera well. And I also feel like a phone is good for beginners because it's easy to use. Now, the disadvantages of using a phone might be the audio. Phone audio really sounds bad or good enough if you have a good phone. And if you're not in a well-lit space and you don't have like enough lighting, you might struggle with the quality when using a phone. Now, let's talk about having a camera. Yes, you get good quality and good depth of field. You also have more control over settings. And if you want to invest in a camera, it's a great long-term investment because I feel like a camera not only shows growth, but it allows you to create professional kind of content. Now, the problem with cameras is they might be expensive. Cameras are not cheap and they have a steep learning curve. Not every camera is easy to use. You really need to learn a few things here and there before you can just start recording. And to me, sometimes I feel like cameras are not portable. It's easy to just record with your phone on the go than a camera. Now, which one did I start with? I started recording with my phone and I recorded all my videos on my phone using my Huawei Y9. I will never forget that phone. I recorded all my content on that phone till the moment I reached 100,000 subscribers. I remember I hit 100,000 subscribers and then 2 months after that, I got a camera and I continued using my phone for most recordings. I don't even know why, but I would use my camera sometimes my phone. So bottom line is you don't really need a camera for you to start YouTube. You don't even need a camera particularly to grow on YouTube. I usually advise beginners to just start where you are with what you have. Don't overcomplicate your starting point.